Hey Lyra Tech! Today we're looking at the Roborock Qrevo CurvX, a robot vacuum and mop aiming to be the ultimate automated cleaning solution. Check the link in the description for the best price. This machine is packed with high-end features designed to tackle everything from deep carpet debris to stubborn floor stains. First up, let's dive into the core cleaning performance of the Qrevo CurvX. With a massive 22,000 Pascal suction, this robot pulls up everything from fine dust to pet hair, even from deep. The 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing feature ensures truly hygienic mopping, tackling stubborn stains and grease effectively. Its ultra-slim 7.98 design allows it to easily get under low furniture and cabinets, cleaning where other robots can't. This robot excels at both vacuuming and mopping, offering a genuinely deep clean. Beyond just cleaning, the Qrevo CurvX is packed with smart features for autonomy. Reactive AI obstacle recognition uses a camera to intelligently avoid up to 108 types of objects, even in the dark. The AdaptiLift chassis raises the robot over thresholds, while RetractSense LiDAR automatically adjusts for low-clearance areas, enabling truly seamless navigation. The multifunctional Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus automates everything: hot water mop washing, warm air drying, auto dust emptying, and tank refilling. At a premium price of $1,199, this robot is a significant investment, but for the robust feature set and level. Its intelligence and automation features genuinely stand out, making it a truly hands-off device. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX delivers a truly premium and highly automated cleaning experience. From its incredible suction and hot water mopping to its intelligent navigation and pet-friendly features, it's designed to handle almost any home environment with minimal input.